Okay, so here's the Pardo 38. This is one of the most popular Pardos here selling in South Florida. So stepping on board, what you're gonna notice, just beautiful woodwork. Nice teak table here. This folds up and extends out. The seating can be either forward or aft facing. You've got a nice hard top here. There's an option to get extended shades there. Up here, you've got your summer kitchen area. So you've got a dual burner cooktop as well as a deep well sink. Down below on this island, you've got cold storage there, storage in the middle, and then an ice maker on the starboard side. Moving forward, you're gonna see the Helm station. So you've got dual Garmin displays. You've got the Volvo IPS integrated propulsion system. You can actually park this with dynamic positioning, so it'll stay like skyhook, or you can drive it sideways or rotate it, or you have your traditional Helms. Nice bolstered seats, nice upholstery here. On the sides, those go down so you can easily step on and off the boat. Then look at this beautiful windscreen here. So your windshield is just this very nice material, all one piece. So that's great. They also do make a isinglass that goes here. They use a nice strata glass on it. I'm gonna walk around. So very cool day bed. These do fold up into a chase lounge configuration. You've got your anchor system under here. You've got the cleats that drop down, so you get flush cleats on it. So just a very stylish boat. So if you're looking for entry-level Pardo, this is something you should consider. Hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com for more info. We're going to go down into the living accommodations. A few steps down, you see a very nice berth here. Plenty of room. You do have a walk-in head here. That's an electric flush toilet, as well as it does have the shower wand. So this is a wet head. And then down below here, you have 2 berths. And what's kind of cool is you can actually stand up in that area there. So there's a stand up here, which is actually underneath that seat. You'll see the window, the little hatch that goes through there. So very nice. This is a great boat for families that want to be out on the water enjoying themselves, but have a nice area, say if they have kids or other people that need to cool off for a little bit. Get your electrical panel here. And then moving up, you can definitely see why this is a very popular Pardo. Nice carbon fiber, beautifully stylish. And this is a great day boat or even weekender here in Miami.